My name is Matt Buell and I'm here with M Buell Studio. I'm also here on behalf of the Woodworking Network. I got some bad news. The deadline for entry as the Young Wood Pro has passed. Yeah. It's good news though. We have the rest of the year to make video content however we see fit. I was speaking with the editor at the Woodworking Network about it, and we were brainstorming ideas, content you might like. But the truth is, the best thing we could do is ask you. So I'm asking you, what do you want to see? We're gonna be doing it from this wonderful little studio here. So I'll throw you some ideas. We could do power tools. Heck, sanding alone. You know how much everyone loves sanding. All right, we could do that. We could talk about worktops. You know, traditional workbenches versus the more contemporary style stuff. So I can talk about that. Let's talk about clamps. We can talk about gluing, different types of glue. We can talk about machinery. Now, I have two bandsaws for a reason. I'll do a video about why. We can do lumber. We talk about different species and wood movement. That's always everyone's favorite. Talk about machinery in a sense, what I call the big three: joiner, planer, table saw. I call them the triangle offense. They can all work together. I can do a video about that. We talk about design and how to design pieces for certain time periods, and which joints and stuff maybe are best used for. We can talk about anything you want. Hardware, it's up to you. What do you want? Talk about template routing, my favorite. That's probably about 1/10 of the templates I've thrown out over the years. We can talk about everybody's favorite thing, finish work. Woodworkers love finish work. It's up to y'all. Want to hear from you. What do you want? The content's for you, should be what you want. So go in the comments of whatever social media you're seeing this on your screen, and tell us what you want. And if being in the comments is uncomfortable for you, email me, mbuellstudio@gmail.com, and I will actually read them. I promise. All right, get to it.